14 applicants have been approved for grants totaling more than $108,000 in the West Virginia Department of Environmental Protection's Covered Electronic Devices Recycling Grant Program.
Established in 2008 under the DEP's REAP program, the CED program requires that manufacturers register their brands with the state. The fees collected from this program allow counties and municipalities to apply for grants to conduct electronic collection events and to support ongoing collection programs.
Cabell County was one of the entities receiving a grant, and the county recently held a collection event. Cold temperatures and a steady drizzle didn't dampen the flow of traffic headed to the loading dock at Goodwill Industries Recycling Center in West Huntington. This is one of several e-recycling events organized by the Cabell County Solid Waste Authority, and the first one at this location.
But the reason we held it here, I wanted to try to reach out to folks who do hold on to this stuff. A lot of folks, that, each year when we hold this event, they tell us that, I've held on to this for 3 or 4 years. I keep missing this event and the spring event, and I'll miss the fall event. The reason we held it here is to try to let people know that Goodwill actually accepts this material throughout the entire year. So, we're making some contacts here with a lot of folks, letting them know that Goodwill does accept these materials throughout the year. And then the Solid Waste Authority is going to work with Goodwill to see that folks, find this facility here so they can continue to bring the computers, let their computers and electronics and stuff here too, in addition to our events that we hold throughout the year.
Goodwill partners with computer manufacturer Dell to recyclable PCs, monitors, printers, and other peripherals.
Funds that we got this year for the CED grant are going to be used for outreach mainly this year, because Goodwill has partnered up with us to become take the role of our contractor this year, and actually throughout the year. So we're kind of testing out, see how it goes.
If turnout was any indication, it seemed to be working well.
The weather wasn't great today. We had showers, and they're calling for snow this afternoon, and the temperatures plummeted just here in the past few hours. But nonetheless, the fact that we still got people coming out means that people are recycling. This is important to people in our area, and we're super glad that the DEP and then the REAP folks were able to give us some funding to help with the outreach for this event that's going on today.
The goals of the program are to establish a registration process for manufacturers of covered electronic devices, to determine if manufacturers have adopted or implemented a free take-back or recycling program for their products, and to award recycling grants to counties and municipalities for recycling or other programs that divert covered electronic devices from the waste stream.